friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see few more questions and start our 2020 board examination preparation for, and this is the part 1. So let us start with the first question. Here is the first question on the screen, that find the value of k if the points p into bracket 5, 4 close the bracket, q into bracket 7, k close the bracket, and r into bracket 9, minus 2 close the bracket are collinear. The points are collinear when the area of the triangle is 0, that is the condition. So here area of triangle PQR should be equal to 0, and the area of triangle is calculated by the formula 1/2 into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket y1 minus y2, which is equal to 0. Now here p points are 5 and 4, so let this be x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, and this is x3, this is y3. Now just put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So here 1/2 into bracket x1 is 5, into bracket y2 minus y3. So y2 minus y3, that is k minus 2, so it will be k plus 2, close the bracket, plus x2 is 7, into bracket y3 minus y1, y3 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus 4, close the bracket, plus x3 is 9, and into bracket it will be 4 minus k, which is equal to 0. If you take 2 to the other side, it will become 0, and multiply by 5 inside the bracket, so it will be 5k plus 10 minus, this will be minus 6 into 7, so it will be 42, so plus multiply by 9 inside the bracket, so 9 4s are 36 minus 9k, which is equal to 0. So here 5k minus 9k, that will be minus 4k, plus 36 plus 10, that will be 46, minus 42, that will be plus 4, which is equal to 0, and therefore k is equal to 1. So the value of k, that is equal to 1. Here is the another question on the screen. Prove that the points 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1 and 5, 2 are the vertices of a right angle triangle, and also find the area of this triangle. Here let A be the point with coordinates 2, minus 2. B is a point with coordinates minus 2, 1, and C is a point with coordinate 5, 2. So here we can find the length AB square, which is equal to, by distance formula, x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1, that is minus 2 minus 2. So it will be minus 2 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So 1 minus 2, that will be plus 2 bracket square. So which is equal to minus 2 and minus 2 will be minus 4, its square will be 16, plus 1 plus 2 will be 3, and its square will be 9, and therefore AB square, that is equal to 25. Now friends, highlight this. Then we will find BC square. So BC square, which is equal to, again x2 minus x1 bracket square. So 5 minus 2, that will be plus 2. So it is 5 plus 2 bracket square, plus into bracket y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 1 bracket square. So BC square, that is 7 square, will be 49, and 2 minus 1 will be 1, and its square will be 1, and therefore BC square, that is equal to 50. Now we will find AC square. So which is equal to AC square is what? A and C. So it will be x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus 2 bracket square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 2 will be plus 2. So it will be 2 plus 2 bracket square. So which is equal to, this will be 3 square, that is 9, plus this will be 4 square, that will be 16. So that will be 25. Now here, if you see that AB square is 25, AC square is 25. So AB square plus AC square, which is equal to BC square, because 25 plus 25 is equal to 50, and since it applies the Pythagoras theorem, and therefore the given points are of the vertices of the right angled triangle. And now we will find the area of the triangle. Therefore area of triangle ABC, which is equal to 1/2 base into height. So which is equal to 1/2 base into height, that is 5 into 5. So which is equal to 25 by 2. And since 25 by 2 square units. So friends, here area of triangle ABC is 25 by 2, and it is a right angle triangle. Here is another question on the screen. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed, and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When Swati takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 3000 as hostel charges, whereas Mansi, who takes food for 25 days, and she has to pay the hostel charges as rupees 3200. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Let the fixed charges be X. Fixed charges is equal to rupees X, and the charges for food, that is equal to rupees Y. Then by first condition, by condition 1, here we have Swati takes food for 20 days. The fixed charges will be fixed, so it will be X, plus 20 days charges will be, this is per day Y rupees. So for 20 days it will be 20 Y, which is equal to, the total amount is rupees 3000. Let this be equation number 2. And by the condition 2, Mansi, she takes food for 25 days. So fixed charges will be X, and the food charges will be 25Y. The total charge is 3200. Let this be equation number 2. Now solving the equation number 1 and 2, we get subtracting 1 and 2, we get this XX will get cancelled. So 20Y minus 25Y, that will be minus 5Y, which is equal to 3000 minus 3200, that will be equal to minus 200. And therefore Y will be equal to rupees 40. 5 4s are 20. So Y is 20 rupees 40. So the food charges is rupees 40, and put this Y in equation number 1. So put in equation 1. Here we get that X plus 20 into 40. So it will be 20 into 40, which is equal to 3000, and therefore it will be 4 2s are 8, 800. This is 3000. So it will be X is equal to 3000 minus 800, and so it will be 2200. So the fixed charges is 2200 rupees. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends so that they too will get connected with me, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have already subscribed to it, I express my sincere thanks from the very core of my heart. So friends, like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.